Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Y'all, really, I got a package. I got Happy Mail today. Well, not today. I got it during the week. Last week. But y'all know I'm trying to catch up on filming. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all this package. I'm so excited. I had to peek in it because I didn't know what it was. I was like, what? I wasn't sure. I didn't know anything about this package. So it came in this box, well wrapped. And when I pulled out the note, it says, "Hope you enjoy, Stephanie Grace." So Stephanie Grace sent me this package, and I'm going to show y'all what it is. Came well wrapped too. Now she purchased this off of Etsy, okay? Y'all, I can't even begin to tell you. Look. Y'all, it's a sea turtle, and it comes with a stopper. I just didn't take it out yet, but I will. Y'all, look at this. Okay, so now I gotta figure out. Okay, it's a diamond painting tray. It's a tray. It's a sea turtle, y'all. Look how cute. I'm so excited when I saw this. Because I saw the note, and it's from Stephanie Grace. And when I saw it, I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. Y'all know I like to die when I saw this, okay? Y'all know I was so excited. I couldn't wait to show y'all. Oh my God, it's so cute. So she purchased this off of my 3D Designs, 3D printing and laser engraving off of Etsy. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this is so stinking cute. And it comes with a stopper. Y'all, I can't even. Stephanie, you really did not have to do this. You did not. I'm so appreciative. I'm so thankful. Yeah, I have such good. Oh, this diamond painting community is amazing. Stephanie, you did not have to do that, but I'm so happy you did. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. Oh my God, I love it. Oh man, this is so cool. This is so cool. And I guess y'all can tell by my voice. I love it. Okay, so it says, "Thank you for your business. Owner Dan Weeks, Etsy shop, my 3D Designs." So this is their card that she ordered it from, my 3D Designs. I know it's backwards, whatever, but, and this is their info. But y'all, just go on Etsy and look up my 3D Designs, because this, I am not playing. This is so cute. Look at it. It's a sea turtle. Y'all know. If you know, you know. Okay? That's it. Bottom line. If you know, you know. Holy moly. So you put the plug in here. Wait. Oh, what that does. Okay, I really have to I think it plugs it like this, but when you want to empty it, y'all, it's cute. When you want to empty it, wait, I don't understand. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how to work it yet, but I will figure it out. So I'm not understanding. So, okay, this is it. Duh, don't it? Okay, so you just plug it. I don't know what this is for. Maybe y'all know what this portion right here is for. Maybe it's for it's nothing. I'm not sure. But I do know it plugs it. I know that much. And when you want to dump the drills out, you just, send them to the front and you dump it. Okay? I got the sound effects and all. But I don't know what this portion is for. So if y'all know, y'all let me know, because I really don't know. But I love it. I'm going to plug it And I'm gonna look at the top. It's a tortoise shell. I mean, it's a shell, yeah. See, turtle shell, look how cute. Y'all, this is cute. So it fits on there like this. So this is the front, and then you just push it into place. Maybe I have it wrong. Yeah, no, it stays. Okay, so this is it. You push it into place, and it's like it hooks on there. So, y'all, it's so cute. I love it. Look how cute. Oh my God. I love it. Thank you, Stephanie. I really appreciate this. It's so cute, and I absolutely, absolutely love it. I will try to link. I'm going to find the Etsy store, and I'm going to try to link the Etsy shop, because please do support small businesses. I'm so happy about that she did that, because I try to support small businesses as well. Please support small businesses. Go check them out, okay? And thank you, Stephanie, for this awesome, awesome gift. I really love it. You know I love it. And like I said, I'll link their shop in the description portion of this video in case y'all want to go check them out, okay? Thank you, Stephanie, and thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.